Zener Diode. Working. At the high value of breakdown voltage, the intensity of electric field becomes high. When the charge carriers cross the depletion region, like the electron as for example, then it gets accelerated due to high electric field. This accelerated charge breaks many covalent bonds in the depletion region and creates electron-hole pairs. This newly created electron also gets accelerated and breaks many more covalent bonds to further create more electron-hole pairs. This process keeps on repeating. This results in the increase in the electric current flowing through the diode. We can say that the diode has reached breakdown point. This type of breakdown is called the avalanche effect. The diode in which breakdown is due to the avalanche effect is known as the avalanche diode. The symbolic diagram of the Zener diode is shown. The symbolic representation of Zener diode is similar to the normal diode. The only difference being that the cathode has been shaped in the form of alphabet Z. The characteristic of the Zener diode. The forward bias characteristic of the Zener diode is very similar to that of the PN junction diode. Near the breakdown voltage Vz, this current suddenly increases to the order of milliampere. This current is called the Zener current, Iz. The breakdown obtained in this case is very sharp. It can be seen from the reverse bias characteristic that a small change in the voltage near the breakdown voltage produces a large change in the current. This means that in this situation, the voltage across the Zener diode remains constant for large changes in the current. Hence, such a diode can be used as a voltage regulator.